All right. You're gonna learn today.
What's up, YouTube? So we are back again. This one's gonna be really quick. I am replacing the 3-4 Accumulator Spring. Now the thing about the 3-4 Accumulator Spring is that they usually break. They're under a lot of pressure and they tend to break. Now this is something that you should check whenever you're doing your filter changes, your fluid changes, because they do break. Now depending on how bad yours breaks will depend on whether you're still functioning at all. But they almost always break. Even if they don't, you should probably want to change it because it won't be long. So this is what the new spring looks like, and we are going to replace it. Now the thing about it, I have the valve body on the workbench, but if this was still in the van, this is something that you do not have to remove your valve body to replace. You will have to probably remove your filter because the filter goes right here, but it is right here. This is a very simple job. Again, it's looks like about 5 T25s, and that is it. So while you're under there changing everything, check it, replace it. It is very cheap. I had got this along with the retainer clip and the spring for $10. So you can probably get this. This is going to be less than 10 if you get it by yourself, but put this in your maintenance. Now, again, I'm getting ready to open this up so we can see if mine is broken. I haven't opened it up yet, but while the valve body is out, I'm doing all these little things to it. So let me make sure. We're going to just take them out. Boy. And we are going to see if mine is broken. But even if it's not broken, YouTube, I'm still going to change it because I have no idea how old it is, how long it's been in here. So I have a brand new fresh one ready to go in. Now remember, you guys will be doing this upside down, so make sure you keep track of all the screws that you remove. Well, there it is, YouTube. It is broken. Look at what we have, YouTube. And it usually breaks in, look, it usually breaks in 2 to 3 pieces. So I got 3 pieces. Guess that's it. And the piston is in here. That's the piston. So let me dump this out, YouTube, and I will cut you guys back on. Alright, YouTube, so we back. I gave everything a quick clean, and remember, when you guys do it, this is going to be upside down. So all this stuff, the fluid, you can see how clean it is in there now. The piston, everything is going to fall out. Make sure you guys don't lose this. This is the piston. So this is going to go back in there. This is the old spring. This is the new spring. We'll drop the new spring in there. Now I'm going to say this. Because that does happen, you guys should really consider making this part of your routine maintenance. Whenever you're changing the fluid, whenever you're changing the filter, check that spring. Remember, this is a 46 RE out of a 2001 Dodge van. So if you have any type of, the 42s, the 44s, 47, 48, whatever you have any one of these, make sure you change that spring. See, it's a very easy job. Once you take the filter off, it should be right there accessible. I know it's going to be a little harder because you guys are doing it upside down, so make sure you just prepare, don't lose the piston, and it will be fine. Tighten these in kind of a crisscross pattern, and you should be fine. Alright, YouTube, is that nice and easy or what? Now I will leave the link below where you guys can get your 3/4 spring. Also, I will leave the link where you guys can get the one with the clip. So like I said, I got the one with the clip for $10. So alright guys, I appreciate you, And I believe the next video we're going to do is going to be to replace the reverse servo. I think that's what I'm going to do next. Alright, because I did about everything I'm going to do to this valve body. Believe so. So unless something else comes up, the reverse servo is the next video. Alright guys, so I will catch you on the next one.